Hey guys, this is Logan with FlyMotion. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Skydio 2. In addition to the drone itself, we also have in this case here the Pro Kit upgrade. So let's get into it. So here you have it. This is the Skydio 2. So when you purchase the drone itself, all that's going to come with that there is going to be the drone, one battery. It'll have the charging cable, the wall block, and then in addition to that, it just has one propeller for each of the two types of propellers there. So you're not going to get a full set in addition. The way it's pictured here that you see is going to be what's called the Pro Kit upgrade. The Pro Kit upgrade is going to come with 3 additional batteries, a charging hub, the remote controller, the beacon, and then in addition to that, you'll have your additional charging cables there and extra propellers as well. So let's go ahead and lay it all out and see what we got in the box. So on the Skydio, in comparison to some of the other drone platforms that many of you guys are used to, it's going to be a little bit different. So on the front side of the Skydio 2, you're going to have your rotors and your propellers on the bottom. On the back side, you're going to have your rotors and propellers on the top. So it's going to be a little bit different there. In addition, the batteries themselves are magnetized to the drone as well as to the charging base. So I'll pull out the charging base here and kind of show you that. So there's double-sided charging. Go ahead and take that, line up the prongs, and it's just going to snap right into there. And again, when you look on the back side here, it's going to snap right in as well. All right, so in addition to the batteries in there and the charging setup, we have the remote controller here. This actually folds out from the bottom. You're able to set a small phone in there. It additionally will come in that Pro Kit upgrade with a tablet holder. So this is going to be able to connect to here. That allows you to put a much larger setup and screen. So you'll have that option as well. Within that, there's going to be a 4th battery. So the drone itself will come with the battery, and then the Pro Kit upgrade comes with 3 additional batteries. So here it is, the Skydio 2 with the Pro Kit upgrade. Hope you like this video. If you do have any questions in regards to this platform, shoot us an email at sales@flymotionus.com. And again, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.